Stay till the end of this video, please. Hello, guys, I'm Anna and today, I will tell you everything you need to know about this product before you make your purchase. Pay attention to what I will tell you in this video because I have two very important alerts to make you about this product. The first thing you need to know is be careful with the website you are going to buy. If you have hair loss, baldness and scalp problems and have tried various treatments that didn't work or used various types of shampoos and hair growth kits that just made you spend money, then you need to know more about FoliPrime, how it works, and if it is worth buying. I'm going to tell you all about it, and at the end of this video, I'm going to pass on a very important warning to you, because a lot of people are losing money on this. In this FoliPrime review, we are going to take a look at the claims made by the company to see if this product is really worth it. Excessive baldness is a problem all over the world. Hair loss on the head can affect anyone, but men are more likely to suffer from it. Causes of hair loss can include stress, hormonal imbalances, or scalp disorders. Hair loss can also result from an unhealthy diet and lifestyle. So what is FoliPrime? It is a powerful oil that will support the health of your hair and scalp in a revolutionary new way. FoliPrime is a 100% natural hair and scalp supplement that treats the symptom of baldness by correcting the root cause of your hair loss problem, which aids in the growth of beautiful, strong and shiny hair in just a few weeks. This supplement will nourish your hair. Supposedly, you can witness your hair recovering after applying 2 to 3 drops of FoliPrime on your scalp. FoliPrime contains vitamins, minerals, plant concentrates and spices. This combination of ingredients promises to promote hair growth, support scalp wellness, and help maintain healthy hair, among other benefits. Each bottle of FoliPrime is made here in the USA in an FDA-approved and GMP-certified facility under sterile, rigorous, and precise standards. The FoliPrime dropper is natural and pure. You can be assured that they contain no stimulants or dangerous toxins. And it has no side effects either. How does FoliPrime work for you? FoliPrime is a simple lotion that contains a blend of vitamins designed to improve hair health. The purely natural ingredients in FoliPrime boost and supplement the vitamins in the scalp to help promote hair growth. FoliPrime relieves itching, hair loss, dandruff, and hair transplants, among other symptoms. Unlike medications, treatments, etc., FoliPrime is a non-invasive moisturizer that revitalizes hair follicles. FoliPrime not only increases hair growth and retains natural beauty, but also promotes a longer, thicker hairstyle. You can achieve the promised results in a few days. Besides nourishing the hair, the elements in the product reduce scratches and provide flawless hair. Consequently, hydrated, flexible, and thick hair is less likely to shed. In addition to reversing nutritional deficiencies that alter hormonal responses, the natural components in FoliPrime prove effective in preventing hair loss. Its minerals and vitamins remove toxins from the scalp and promote hair growth. FoliPrime promotes and enhances hair growth without harmful chemicals, poisons, or preservatives. Also, it prevents bacteria from growing around the follicles by keeping the sebaceous glands active. This oil is the best and most distinctive for the health and well-being of your scalp and hair. People of all ages can use this oil. FoliPrime has a 60-day guarantee. If your hair does not grow back or if you are not completely satisfied with the results, you can request a refund, and you will receive the full amount of your purchase, no questions asked and no questions asked from the manufacturer. And my warning that I want to pass on to you is, be very careful when buying FoliPrime, because there are many scams on counterfeit sites and selling a fake product, and because of this, the manufacturer decided to make available the sale of FoliPrime only on his official site and nowhere else. So to help you not to fall for this scam, I'll leave here in the description of this video and in the comments, the link to the official site, for you to buy safely. And also buying from the official site you receive several benefits. You will get free shipping and also a super discount. I hope I have helped with this information and that you can enjoy all the benefits this product has to offer. Thanks for watching.